This is the Avis Vitess with the curved keyway. And it is a tiny keyway at the top. It's a little bitty tensioner. Only thing I could find to fit in there. All right, pin 4 was binding 5. Now 1, 2, 3. I think this is 6. I feel like it's locked up. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4, and I got a little false set. Like 2 is binding again. Heard something drop. 3 dropped. And there's 6. I think that was 6 was the last one. All right, let's have a look inside this thing. It's got Torx screws on the back like a lot of the asses do. Also has a cap, but I'm going to go ahead and gut it with a follower. I'll go ahead and throw a shim in it too, just to be safe. So side pins were passive, just for key control, I suppose. So there's the key pins. That's a pretty funky key pin. I've never seen anything like that. There's no milling or anything. Curved keyway. Follower wanted to fall out of there. Standard on 1. Spool on 2. Standard on 3. Spool on 4. Standard on 5. And a tapered barrel type pin on 6. And we're just going to leave those springs in there, but I guess I'll just go ahead and take them out. These are coarse springs and easy ones to slip out of the tweezers and go flying. Kind of wishing maybe I just left them in there. There's that weird looking key pin. And it's got, actually there's a tapered barrel on 5 also, 5 and 6. 2 spools and 2 standards. All right, big thanks to Todd for sending this lock over. Appreciate it. Passive side pins, all just for key control. It's the Avis Vitess, I believe. Yep, the Avis Vitess.